How to find comments, notifications, settings, location on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find it easy and quick. First, open Play Store and make sure your BeReal is updated. Now just open it and then click on your profile here, and then click these 3 points in the top corner, and here you will find notifications. Click on it, and that's it. Here is it. Here you can manage it, you can turn it off or on. It's easy. Then just go back, and I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.